I'd like to call out Madame Kala so that she can deliver us another short speech.
A very good morning, respected principal, headmistress, junior coordinator, senior master, and the oldest teacher, Mabok, and my dear beloved student. A very good morning to you all once again. Today, on this special occasion of Teachers' Day, I am deeply honored to stand here and address you all. As a teacher, it is a great privilege to be a part of your life, to share your hopes and dreams. Being a teacher is not just a profession, it is a calling and a lifelong journey of discovery. We don't just teach subjects, we sculpt future. Today, as we celebrate Teachers' Day, let us remember Dr. Radhakrishnan, a great teacher, philosopher, and a statesman, whose birthday has been celebrated as Teachers' Day. On this day, I would like to extend my gratitude to all our teachers who have been an inspiration and support. Your dedication, patience, and commitment to the noble cause of education is truly commendable. And to our students, I would always remember that education is not just about grades and degrees, but about developing a love for learning and understanding the world around you. Thank you for your warm wishes. Students like you inspire me to be a better teacher every day. I appreciate your kind and warm wishes. So let me remind once again that keep working hard and never stop believing in yourself. Thank you once again and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Ma'am Kala, for your valuable speech and